Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to erase data from Find My Device. So guys, first thing that you will do is make sure Find My Device is enabled into your phone. And now just simply go into your web browser and go to the Google and search over here, Find My Device. And now from here, just simply go ahead and select the very first one. And after that, guys, just simply sign in with your account, with the same account you signed in into your phone during the setup process on enabling the Find My Device. Now, once you have signed in both account into your mobile and PC, as you can see, you should be able to see here the location. You will have three options over here on the left side of the screen, which is play sound, secure device, and select factory reset device. And now from here, guys, as you can see, it will erase all the data permanently from your phone, and after the reset, the device location will not be available in Find My Device. And if device is offline, erasing will begin once it's online again. And after that, when you select next, you just simply sign in into your Google account to erase your device. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.